Hello friends, welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I have got another exciting tutorial for you. Creating cinematic text intros with CapCut. Don't wait any longer. Let's dive into the tutorial now. I have imported a video to the timeline. Add a default text from the text tab. I have reduced the duration of the video. Reduce the size of the text a little bit. Change the default text. I have changed the color of the text. Enable the glow option of the text and increase the range value to 100. Lock the video track. The lock option prevents incorrect video selection when you work with multiple videos on the same timeline. Go to the animation out tab. Select animation type zoom in to. You can try different animations also. Increase the duration of the animation to 1 second. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add the first keyframe to the position and size. Forward the playhead at 2 seconds and add the second keyframe to the position and size. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Reduce the size to 1%. Forward the playhead to the second keyframe position. I have changed the position of the text. You can position it anywhere. I have created 4 more duplicate copies of the text. Select the second text. Change the text and position it accordingly. Change the text color and the glow color. Apply the same procedure for the rest of the text. It should look like this. If you play the video, all the animation start and end simultaneously. To solve this problem, I have to forward the text starting point. Forward the text into the timeline as I have shown in the video. I think now it looks perfect. If you want, you can add more text. Let's try. I have copied all the text and pasted them to the timeline. Set their position into the timeline. I've also changed the text. Now check the output. I have now moved the text closer to the first series of text. Now output looks more cinematic. You can also try different animations. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more tutorials.